Imagine shimmering waters and white sandy beaches. Islands captivate wanderers like no other. Today, we unveil the top 10 trending islands for your 2025 vacation. Let's dive into our first destination, Koh Samui in Thailand. This island blends relaxation and adventure seamlessly. Picture palm trees swaying beside tranquil beaches. Next, we travel to the Maldives. Known for its stunning overwater bungalows, it's a paradise on Earth. Snorkel colorful coral reefs and relax on soft, sandy shores. Moving on, Bali in Indonesia always enchants visitors. Vibrant culture, lush rice terraces, and breathtaking sunsets await you. Experience local traditions and savor authentic cuisine. Onward to Santorini in Greece. With its iconic blue-domed buildings, it's picture-perfect. Enjoy stunning sunsets while sipping local wine, surrounded by beauty. Next, we explore Maui in Hawaii. This island offers majestic mountains and striking beaches. Go hiking in lush forests or enjoy surfing on world-famous waves. Our sixth stop is Bora Bora. This French-Polynesian gem is known for its turquoise lagoon. Indulge in luxury and admire beautiful marine life while diving. Next up, the Azores in Portugal. This archipelago offers uneven landscapes and stunning vistas. Explore volcanoes, hot springs, and lush greenery unlike anywhere else. Eighth on our list is the Canary Islands. With diverse geography, it's perfect for every adventurer. Hike through volcanic landscapes or relax on golden beaches. The ninth trending island is Fiji. Crystal clear waters and friendly locals welcome you. Experience vibrant coral reefs and incredible biodiversity for unforgettable memories. Lastly, we present Seychelles. This dreamy archipelago features pristine beaches and unique wildlife. Explore hidden coves and enjoy the serenity of nature. To summarize, these 10 islands promise unforgettable experiences in 2025. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or culture, there's a perfect island for you. Ready to book your dream vacation? Start planning today and choose one of these incredible islands. Imagine the soothing sound of waves gently lapping against the shore as you consider your options for exploration. Each island offers a unique experience, ensuring that whether you crave thrill or tranquility, your spirit will be rejuvenated. Let's embark on this journey together and discover which destination resonates with your wanderlust. The anticipation of experiencing new cultures, tasting exotic cuisines, and basking in the sun-drenched shores will surely ignite your excitement for travel. Each island's beauty awaits to unfold its secrets to you. As we plunge deeper into our adventure, let's embrace the allure of Koh Samui. Here, the tropical climate invites leisurely strolls along the beach, while the vibrant nightlife captivates those seeking excitement. Savor the local delights at bustling markets, where the aromas of street food tempt your taste buds, while beach clubs vibrate with music. Exploring hidden waterfalls and lush jungles adds the perfect touch of adventure for the intrepid traveler. Each moment spent in this paradise is a chance to forge unforgettable memories that will linger long after your turn home. As we continue our journey, the Maldives beckons with its enchanting beauty. Imagine stepping into a world where luxury meets nature as you unwind in your very own overwater bungalow and gaze down at the vibrant marine life just beneath your feet. Snorkeling among colorful coral reefs reveals a stunning underwater paradise, while the soft sandy shores invite you to relax under the warm sun. It's a place where tranquility reigns and every sunset becomes a masterpiece painted across the horizon, igniting a sense of wonder with each mesmerizing moment you spend there. As we venture away from the Maldives, Bali beckons with an irresistible charm. This Indonesian island, steeped in rich traditions, greets you with stunning rice terraces cascading down emerald hills. Dive into its vibrant cultural scene, where intricate dance performances tell stories that have echoed through generations. The tantalizing flavors of local dishes await, each bite offering a glimpse into the island's heart and soul. With every sunset painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Bali envelops you in a warm embrace, promising experiences that will linger in your memory long after you depart. Each day on this island is a new adventure filled with laughter and discovery. As we transition to Santorini, prepare for breathtaking vistas that captivate every traveler's heart. As the day drifts toward evening, you find yourself perched on a terrace, the sun dipping low in the sky, casting a golden glow over the famous blue-domed buildings. Each moment is a reminder that Santorini is not just a destination, it's an experience to cherish. As our journey comes to an end, keep in mind that these trending islands are not merely travel spots, they are gateways to unforgettable experiences. With each destination brimming with unique charm and beauty, your 2025 vacation could very well become the adventure of a lifetime.